Want to thank all the people for coming out last night to the Garden of Wonder, the best of 2016. ABC7 sweeping it as far as the best goes. I want to thank all the people that came out there and all the readers that voted too for us. Linda Carson, Scott Dennis, and myself. Appreciate it each and every year. And I tell you what, it was a great party, and I did a little hamming up for the camera right here. You can see they had a unicorn in the background there and some interesting furniture. Rebecca Baxter, well-known photographer here along the Sun Coast, snapping this photo just as the horse was walking by. So it worked out quite perfectly there. Thank you for that photo at the Garden of Wonder. Well, this is a wonder right here too as the sun was rising. Some clouds there. Appreciate it, Rita, sending this photo in from the celery fields. And the celery fields, again, getting a lot of photos coming in from the folks there. And North Jetty, Rick Jungle's getting this one. A lot of clouds too in advance of a storm system that'll bring us some rainfall. The Van Wezel webcam showing kind of a cloudy afternoon, and those clouds again around as a result of a storm system, which is going to move in and bring us a chance for showers. We've talked about all week long. Friday will be the chance, I think, and we'll see a few isolated thunderstorms. There's some possibilities. Some of those could be strong, but right now that strong weather blowing up across Louisiana, producing some tornadoes earlier today and some small hail there. The good news is the rain has ended in Houston. The bad news is more rain is on the way. So flood warnings continue there. Also an aerial flood watch for northern portions of Texas tonight, and into much of western portions of Louisiana there is a flood watch through Thursday 7 o'clock. But for us, no rain around. As I mentioned, we had some smoke trails moving on through, but really not a bad day. Temperatures still warming into the low 80s. Had a chance to get out there in Sarasota Bay, do some fishing, and I tell you, it was nice out there. A little bit on the cool side actually to start things off this morning. And I wanted to show you the radar picture. Sometimes the smoke, and these are controlled burns that you see here, and agricultural burns, clearing of land, and the smoke plume will tell you the wind flow. It's off from the east and blowing to the west, and you can see most of that now controlled. The atmosphere really dry, and so they do these controlled burns again, not a lot of times when the atmosphere is so dry, so it's starting to moisten up a little bit, but still the dew point temperature of 56, a little lower than average for this time of year. Currently at the airport we have partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Dew point has come up a little bit at 59, and the temperature at 79 degrees. The humidity has been quite nice at 50% right now. The high today was 84, a little bit cooler than the past couple of days. Yesterday 87 for a high. The record 92 set back in 1990, and no rainfall to report. We could use a little bit of rain. We're not going to get a whole lot of widespread, long duration kind of showers and storms with this next system, but it will bring us, I think, some increasing cloudiness, obviously, with a few showers and a few storms. 76 in Jacksonville, now 79 in Orlando. Low to mid 70s right near the coast. A little bit warmer inland. 80 degrees now, Maca City, Wauchula at 80 degrees. The winds will switch around again to an easterly direction tomorrow, and then a little sea breeze developing in the afternoon, which will bring us a few isolated showers. There'll be enough moisture in the atmosphere, I think, to kick off a few, but most areas will stay dry. We take you through time on the Futurecast RPM forecast model, showing you a pretty nice day tomorrow. There's those isolated showers I mentioned in the afternoon and evening. As I said, most people will stay dry tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, there's a slight chance, but more so as this line moves in, there's a chance we could see one or two lone thunderstorms, some of which could be strong. And this will take place on Friday afternoon, at least according to this forecast model. And I have some confidence in it. It's done pretty well so far this spring. As far as the forecast goes, we are looking at a pretty good day for boating through the evening. We'll see winds out of the basically switch back to an east-northeasterly direction at 10 knots. Similar conditions again tomorrow. We'll have that east wind switching around to a northwesterly direction. Seas right around 1 to 2 feet. Water temperature now at 76 degrees, and the beaches will see a high right around 79. Mostly fair tonight. Comfortable 60 for your low, and then the 7-day forecast looks like this. 40% chance for showers and storms on Friday. A nice weekend ahead, though. High temperatures in the low to mid 80s.